guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you for all of my subscribers, and I just want to say thank you for coming to this channel. It's been a while since I released a video. I just came back from a trip to Liberia, and I just feel like it would be best for me to share some of my videos of our construction project, the continuation of our construction project. So the next video is basically us completing the casting process in our construction, and we also started our fencing. So I just feel like it would be great to release this video now to our subscribers to show how much we appreciate them. And I just want to say thank you for coming to this channel. Thank you for watching our videos, and just help us as we continue to release videos. We appreciate it if you help us grow this channel by sharing, by liking, and by subscribing. The video that you're about to watch is just, like I said, it's just a continuation of our existing project that we have. And there will be more videos like this coming up. And there will also be video of new construction and development that is happening in Liberia. So I just want to say watch out for those videos, and just help me share this video and help me grow this channel so that we can provide you with more content. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. God bless.
thing now. You don't do all a checkup.
I'll bring the motor now.